Crude oil has beautifully now retraced towards $68 levels. We have expected it to retrace and beautifully it has hit $68 levels, finding the support intact at 65.2, 65.5 yesterday. We have seen it recovering strong. And yes, net gas is also turned bullish. We have seen it coming towards 2.46, 2.48 zone. What to expect today with the US session? Also, the natural gas storage data could bring further volatility in the gas prices, and how to profit with that, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day. In general, I release two updates a day, first with the Asia and Europe session, next with the US session, and before the major data releases. So subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to get the updates. Do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. All the links are there in the channel and video description. Let's start first to look into oil, followed with gas. If you look at the formation in oil here, see, this is the channel in which it is trading, and you can see this time it is almost at the verge of breaking this channel. Also look at the formation here. The previous slump has started from this zone at around 68, 68.5 levels, and after the drop it has retraced towards the zone. Though despite the movement is sluggish, still it has hit the zone here. Now it is very very important for it to stay above 68 and 68.5, 68.6 zone. Any move beyond this should take it further upside, where we may see it hitting $70 levels very very soon. Moving averages have crossed over here, good sign for the bulls. And also you should notice it is delivering higher lows, higher highs. So let it stay above 68, more bullishness may prevail there. Stochastic rising, MACD rising, RSI rising, good sign again here for the bulls. On the 2 hour charts, on the 2 hour chart, similar observation here, finding the support at 67, now very very good. This zone here now at 67, 67.5 is going to remain crucial for oil. As long as it stays above this, we can find little bullishness, but on the upside it has to break beyond this zone at 68, 68.5. That will be the only confirmation where you can say that it has turned bullish. Else what is happening here? Drop retracement, and delivering lower highs, it could again reverse. So you have to be careful here at around 68, 68.5 zone. Stochastic near to overbought, MACD rising, divergent bullish, RSI is also rising here, coming to 3. On the 3 hour charts, it appears that we may see bullish move here again. We can see the preceding candle, a swing candle closing in green. Once it stays above 68.2, I think that is the point of time we can initiate a buying entry, and just be alert and cautious at around 68.4, 68.6, very very nearby and very very strong resistance. As long as, again I am highlighting, again I am repeating, as long as it stays below 68.4, 68.6 zone today, we should not be treating oil as bullish. It can reverse again. Stochastic overbought, MACD trading with divergence and bullishness, RSI rising here. Coming to 4 hour, on the 4 hour charts also, the observation is more or less same after forming a good bottom, but only consideration here is also, see, most important thing here is, so far we have seen oil hitting the 20 period moving average and dropping again and again. It has come out of this bearish channel, and now moving averages have started to look upwards. This could be a confirmation of slight reversal, where the prices can aspire to achieve 69 or in fact $70 levels very very soon. Yes, this could happen in a single candle or so, but yes, I think we will wait for it to stay above 68.4, 68.6 zone. That is the only confirmation of bullishness here, where 69.2, 69.5, and then $670 levels are going to be seen. If you look at the stochastic here, it is back to overbought levels. The MACD also here is rising after hitting the bottom here, and the RSI is rising as well. Coming to on the daily chart, see, you can see this almost higher lows here. And now also notice this, that this is the channel in which it was trading here. It has come out of this channel, it is looking upwards. Also you could notice this is the point from which it has started to drop, and thus it is important for it to stay above this point, that is 68.5, 68.6 levels. And once it stays above this could mark a reversal in oil prices, which could take it towards 69 or in fact $70 levels. And then we can see it aspiring to achieve 20 period moving average here on the daily. Also one must notice the drop, sideways movement, then the drop, and it has hit a 17 months low, now trying to recover from this. The recovery could be equally strong, though the moving average is right now are trading bearish. Stochastic rising, MACD has hit a low here, it is now trading with divergence. First drop retracement, second drop, and it is willing to crossover. This crossover can lead to a complete reversal in the oil prices. RSI rising as, thus, considering this, before I give you the trading levels and strategy for the day, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, be a part of my signals channel on Telegram. Write an email or connect with me over Telegram. We trade multiple instruments in one single signals channel. Thus, diverse instruments, diverse opportunities, multiple opportunities for you to profit throughout the day. Join this today. Reach out to me for your queries. My Telegram and email IDs are there in the channel and video description. And if you just are looking forward to a broker, those who had asked me to recommend one, the recommended broker link is there in the channel and video description. It offers you a stress-free account, lowest spreads, no hidden charges, and yes, it gives you a safer environment for you to easily transact and withdraw from across the globe. Do join it today and enjoy trading now. Look at the daily charts. Considering this, I will recommend you to buy now at around 68, 68.2 zone. But if you're buying at around these levels also, you have to be cautious and alert. 68.4, 68.6 is going to be the first hurdle for it to break and the strongest one for it to break. Beyond 68.6, I will be looking forward to 69.1, 69.2 levels next, and then 69.5, the second one, beyond which it is definitely going to break beyond 70, 71.1, 71.2, and 72.4 in the near future. That is a earmark of reversal. But right now I can say after the such a big drop, this is just under retracement and a possibility of 69, 70 adjust, but beyond that we will see in the further updates. So take your positions accordingly. On the down, a selling opportunity is at 67.6, but if you are selling at 67.6, first support at 67.4, next at 67.2, and then at 66.8. Now 66.8, 66.5, this is the ultimate support. As long as oil stays above 66.8, 66.5 today and in this week, we should not be treating oil as bearish for the week. Below 66.5 is where the major bearishness will appear, major bears will appear. Take your trades accordingly. Now let's have a look at natural. See, for net gas, yesterday I predicted that once it stays beyond 2.38, 2.4 zone, we will look forward to a move towards 2.45, 2.48 zone. And I was expecting 2.5 in fact, but it is so far shied away from hitting 2.5, and largely it is staying in this bullish channel. Now see, rise retracement, and now again looking upwards. So once it stays about 2.48 zone, you can initiate a buying entry here. This is going to be the stronger resistance here. Also see what it has done, a V-shaped recovery after the drop is seen, and now coming back to the resistance here. So once it stays about 2.48, you can definitely expect it to move towards 2.5 to 2.55 levels. Moving averages here are trading bullish, looking upwards. Stochastic rising. The MACD here is bearish. It is not yet converged or crossed over. RSI comfortable here. Coming to two on the 2 hour charts, very important for net gas to break beyond 2.48 levels. It is staying in this bullish channel. That is also clear. Simple formation here, hitting the 20 period, always trying to bounce back. And now once it stays about 2.48, you can look forward to 2.5 to 2.55 levels, and in fact 2.6 levels are also very soon. The stochastic looking down. MACD has crossed over here. This is not a good sign for the bulls. It is looking downwards, staying bearish here. And see, whenever it crosses over, this crossover leads to slight bearishness. So the current levels are going to remain important. RSI has dropped a bit. Coming to 3 hour, when you see the 3 hour chart, see after the rise, it is just staying in this flag formation. It might try to consolidate here for a while in between 2.42, in between 2.48 zone. This zone is going to remain important for net gas for the day. Storage data is going to be the driving factor. That is what we can wait for. Stochastic here is comfortable. The MACD is in green, trying to converge. The RSI is looking downwards as of now. Coming to 4 hour, on the 4 hour charts, if you look at, yes, the drop here, consolidation is going on here. And see, first bearish candle, possibly after consolidation it can deliver a second bearish candle which can take it towards 2.4 to 2.4 zone, which is again going to remain a very strong support. In fact, I will say 2.38 is going to be the strongest support here for the day, below which you can expect 2.35, 2.32 zone. Yes, the data can reverse it completely. The stochastic flat at top, MACD is in green, trying to converge. RSI right now trying to trade bearish. Coming to daily, on the daily chart, see diminishing bullishness. And if you look at the formation here for gas, rise, retracement, rise, and it could retrace. If it retraces today, where is the support? We can find out the support here at intact at 2.38, 2.35 zone. Very good support is seen here. And then the crossover here in the moving average is on the buy side, and this is going to be the next support here at 2.3. Now see, very clearly I have mentioned in my update, in my weekly and daily review, that till the time net gas respects 2.25, 2.3 zone, we should not be treating this as bearish. And that is what has happened. We have seen good bullish move. It could retrace, and thus we can look forward to a selling entry at 2.42 levels, which was the resistance. But then 2.38 is ideally good selling point, below which you can expect 2.35, 2.32. and 2.3 levels, the next support, below which you can expect further bearishness towards 2.25, which I do not think that it is going to break so sharp, but yes, a little retracement cannot be denied as long as net gas stays below 2.48. Now, once it breaks out beyond 2.48, that is the point at which you can initiate a buying entry where you can expect it to move towards 2.515 to 2.55 and in fact 2.6 levels. Yes, if it breaks out beyond 2.5152, we are looking forward to a greater rise towards 2.55, 2.6 zone very soon. Take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch and signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries related to the services. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again tomorrow with more updates earlier in the day with the Asia and Europe session. Thank